everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to dive deep into a very powerful topic from Indian knowledge system, Dinacharya, or, or the daily routine, and its true impact on our health. Before we start, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Nirmal Hadkar from the Department of CSC and AI ML. I also want to note that the facts we will discuss today are backed by a professional insights from Dr. Varsha Rani Gajakos of Homecare International Hospital, of for complicated solutions to feel better, have more energy, or improve our focus. Dinacharya is an ancient daily routine designed to naturally tune our body from maximum health. Let's break down these simple habits step by step. The first and most important step is what we call the golden timing. For your wake and sleep cycles, we all know sleep is important, but when you sleep and wake up matters just as much as how long you sleep. First, let's look at 5:30 a.m. rule. The ideal time to wake up is around 5:30 in the morning. In the Indian knowledge system, this time is known as Brahma Muhurta. But why 5:30? Waking up at this time naturally activates your morning hormones, giving you a fresh start. More importantly, it synchronizes your internal body clock with the rising sun. When you wake up with the nature, your energy levels stay much more stable through the day. Now, what about the end of the day? This brings us to the 10:30 p.m. rule. The ideal bedtime is 10:30 p.m. Going to sleep at this hour gives our body the chance for full systematic recovery. It allows your muscles, brain, and organs to reset completely. But here is the secret ingredient: consistency. Consistency is a key to making this work. You should try to keep a range of only 30 minutes in your sleep schedule to maintain your biological balance. So, try not to sleep in for hours on weekends. So, you have woken up at 5:30 a.m. What is the very first thing you should do? This brings us to the morning cleansing rituals. The first step is oral hygiene. This means thoroughly cleaning your mouth and teeth. But there is one step many people skip: tongue scraping. Using tongue scraper helps remove overnight toxins that have built up while you were sleeping. Next, we do an internal cleanse. Right after waking up, you should drink a glass of warm water. Drinking warm water immediately after waking up helps to support your digestive fire, which is known as Agni. This wakes up your stomach and gets things moving. After hydrating, it's time for movement. You don't need to do heavy workout. Just 10 to 15 minutes of light exercise, stretching, or yoga is perfect. This gets your blood flowing. Finally, sit down and focus on your breathing. Pranayama, which is a specific breathing exercise. This is best way to refresh the mind before a busy day begins. As the presentation reminds us, be kind to your mind. Taking these few minutes for yourself is a great way to show that kindness. For our last main topic, we are going to talk about your stomach and your gut. In fact, digestion is most important that the gut is often called as second brain. There is a great piece of expert insight. Health starts with what we eat. But Dinacharya teaches us the health also starts with when we eat. Remember that digestive fire or Agni we talked about earlier. Your Agni is at its absolute strongest at the midday because your body is best at digesting food in the middle of the day. Your lunch should be your main meal. Make it your biggest, most nourishing meal. On the other hand, your breakfast and dinner should be kept light and warm. Eating a heavy meal at night makes it make it very hard for making body to reset, which ruins that 10:30 p.m. recovery sleep we talked about earlier. There is one more highly effective post meal habit you should adopt. Take simple 10 minutes walk after eating. Getting up and walking for just 10 minutes significantly improves your digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients much better. This is a small habit that makes a massive difference. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you can take at least one or more of these simple habits like waking up and a bit earlier or taking a 10 minutes walking after lunch and try it out this week. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. See you in next time.